Hey, Michael here. Today I want to show you how you can send what I would call an automated message to a Discord text channel without actually having to create an actual Discord bot. Now, this is nothing fancy or trickery going on here. It's just something I learned about recently that I hadn't really heard much about. You can actually send an automated message via a curl command, via a webhook URL, without actually having to create a whole Discord bot like I see many tutorials telling you that you have to. So what you're going to need here is go into a Discord server. You can create a kind of a demo test server, or if you've got a server with administrative privileges, if you go in, right click on the server, go down to server settings, and if you go to integrations, you're going to want to create a new webhook. This will create a webhook that you can upload an avatar image to. We'll call Apollo v2, and then you're going to want to select the channel for your webhook. I'm going to put it appropriately in the hooks channel. We can click Save Changes, and then we want to copy this webhook URL. If we then go over to a little curl command, we can paste in this webhook URL. Don't bother trying to spam messages to it. I've already deleted it. And you will want to protect this URL because anyone that has this URL can send messages to your Discord channel. But we're going to tell curl that include a header specifying that the content type that we're delivering as our payload is JSON data. And we're going to specify a JSON object as our data payload. We're going to want a JSON object with this content field property. And in this, you're going to want to specify the message that you want to send. So we can do, something like run this command. And the cool thing about this JSON data is it supports Discord Markdown. We can do, Python main.py. And now we can copy this, right? And this URL is that webhook URL that we copied. We switch over to a terminal. We click run. We might have heard in the background, if we close out of here, this Discord channel now has from our Apollo v2 showing up as a bot, and it's run this command python3 main.py. And this is a really easy way, without having to create a whole bot and have the bot running. Some useful use cases here might be in a GitHub action when the GitHub action successfully completes. When a web server starts up, you can have a little script run to, send payload data to this API webhook. And it's a really quick, low maintenance way to be able to have an automated bot in your Discord server. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments down below and I'll try and get back to you as I have time. Thanks.